ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. Tata. Sure. Since the entire state is in mourning, the most respected leader, the statesman, our former chief minister and former union and former governor, he has given an immense contribution for the good of the state and the country. As we have lost him, the final journey is starting today. The body is departing from his residence and all the way to Somnalli, Mandya district, and the final rites will be conducted at 4 p.m. So all the way it will go through the Mysore road with 4 stopovers: Kengeri, Biddi, Ramnagar and Channapatna. And the people all the way will give their final respects. And all our senior leaders will be participating in this final rites, which is going to happen in Somnalli. ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.